Hi, welcome back to Otoe Decoys Presents. Today we're going to be cooking up some wild duck. Now that statement probably lost us more viewers than it generated. But why is that? There's an old saying that says you are what you eat. Same goes for waterfowl. Subsisting on a diet of crustaceans, aquatic animals, vegetation, sometimes duck can take on a distinctive and gamey flavor. But it doesn't have to be that way. Another contributing factor to that distinctive taste is that the lifestyle that the duck itself leads. Waterfowl can live many years, and over the course of that lifetime can fly more average miles than most Americans drive. That makes their muscles, at least predominantly the part that we eat, the breast, very blood engorged. There's another old saying about how you should cook duck. The best way to cook duck was to fry it up with a lot of bacon, throw away the duck, and eat the bacon. But that's actually a terrible waste of one of God's most unique creatures. So, after your next waterfowl hunt, try this pretty simple and effective way to cook up your duck that I almost guarantee you most people that don't like duck will be a converted, hardened hater. So, stick with us, we'll show you how it's done. A brine is a liquid solution consisting of water, salt, sugar, herbs, and spices. It is used as a marinade that introduces the salt into the cells of the meat while transferring other flavors as well. Notice the dark red color of the meat prior to brining. Using my food saver, I make a bag large enough to hold the number of breasts that I have and the entire brine mixture. Now I seal the bag with my food saver without vacuuming so as to make a water and airtight container. I'm going to be cooking my duck in an Instapot pressure cooker. A slow cooker or crock pot can be used, but the Instapot cooks it in a fraction of the time. Notice the pale color of the meat after brining. Here I'm adding chipotles, chorizo, and rotel tomatoes. This gives it a smoky, chili-like flavor without adding a lot of heat. I initially set the timer for 90 minutes, but actual cooking time was about an hour and 15 minutes.
This is the duck. It's been pressure cooked for about an hour. It's still very moist. It's also very tender, and it really doesn't taste like duck. It's got a spiciness to it. It's got a flavor to it. I think this will make great taco seasoning, fajita seasoning, something like that.
Go make some tacos. You'll feel better.